How you all doing, boys and girls? Welcome back here to another video. Right now we're at Schoolies again, week 2. What we're going to be doing today is fishing for bogans. We got the $50 note, we got some fishing net, we got this idea from Bread Gang, so we got to give him some credit. If you do go ahead to enjoy this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe down below, guys. If you are new, we're getting closer and closer to 10,000 subs, so it'd be wicked if you could help us out. We got Sammy Ray behind the camera. His Insta and Snapchat will be down below in the description. But if you do go ahead to enjoy this video, drop a like and let's just get into it, boy.
Bye, have a beautiful time.